Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Da, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Saan lang yung The Soul is for a Soul. Sabi nga ni Red Skull dun sa endgame. And now, wala akong idea sa game na to. Nakita ko lang siya kasi baka kaka-release lang 10 days ago, I think. And now, wala tayong idea sa game na to. And lalaroin na natin siya, ano pa hinihintay natin. So it's the time to play this game! In the middle of nowhere. Buo naka Lamborghini. Ay, hindi yan Lamborghini. Kala ko Lamborghini. For sure, mapapalatan tayo masisira ng sasakyan sa middle of nowhere. Ganyan naman sa mga movie. Bush. Lumungkat siya. Hindi shortcut yung ginawa nila. O baka maliligaw sila? O maliligaw tayo? I think. May bahay. Doon na may bahay. Banda doon. Here sa may right side ko. So ito yung intro. Intro pa lang to. Well, nabasa ko doon sa description. May 2 endings daw siya. So gagawin natin yon. Tatapusin natin. Titignan natin yung 1 and 2. So, let's go. Man, this is it. Finally. 2 weeks without college. Without traffic. Just fresh air. Si Alex case? Yeah. It's rustic, for sure. You did read the reviews for this property, right? So nagrento tayo ng house? I think? Relax. It's the total isolation style. That's the fun of it. Come on, I want to get the room with the biggest window. Bro, gusto mo yung room na may malaking bintana? Bro, mas gusto ko ngayon parang, alam mo, maliit lang siya, hindi sobrang laki. Okay, kontrolin natin siya. So, tutulungan natin siya. Ikaw mauna. Well, ang unang mamamatay, ikaw dapat. Kaya mauna ka. Bro, what? Amazing. How to drop this? Here? Bro, what the heck? Ang creepy. Creepy ng bahay. Can we hide here? We got 2 rooms. Can't interact those doors. I mean, closet. Then bro, CR, ilaw. As the heck, walang bathtub. Like, upo ka dito naliligo. Like, pag sad, I think. Turn on TV, bro. Wala nang iba. Like, 2 boxes lang yun. Laman ng box nyo, pagkain lang, and also konting shirt. Turn off the TV, turn on. Look at this, Alex. A tube TV. I bet it still works. I hope it has a VCR. What the heck is VCR? I think the ad said no distractions. What do you mean? Wala. Yeah, and no phone either. It's dead. Even better, no chance of our parents calling to bother us. Total space, bro. Like, siguro tumakas lang sila and may mga gantong movie, di ba? Yung tumatakas sila, tapos may mangyayaring trahedya, ganun. Like, 2 or 5 groups, mga ganun. Hey, there must be some movies around here. Why don't you look around the house and see if you find any? Okay? That's a good idea. You grab the drinks in the meantime. Right? Okay? Well, I think dito na yan, jump scare na. Searching for movie. So, DVD. Pang 90s or 20s. Nothing here. A second, that na naman, row. Nothing here. Okay, dito ulit. Nothing. Ito naman. Tanga. Isa-isa pala. So, meron na sa likod natin yan. For sure. Okay. Well, for sure, guys, meron ng jump scare. I think. Well, could we close this? And also this. Jump scare. Absolute Cinema. In my instinct, may jump scare siya. Oh, wala. Okay. Kailangan talaga dito. Wala talaga ganyan. So, wala. The last one. Nah, bro. Ay, pulang jump scare. Please. What the heck? Fridge? May Nissin Cup Giggles? So, bro, wala akong makitang movies. And I hope okay ka. Nagagawa mo dyan, nakatunga nga sa lababo. Saan pa tayo Oh, dito pa pala. Baka, meron din sa kabilang kwarto? I hope. And jump scare. I hope walang jump scare, guys. Please, wag po. Yun. Night Maniac, the heck? Let's go. Huh? I found a tape, man. Nice. Go ahead and put it in the VCR. I'm almost done with everything here. Okay? Hey bro, manonood tayo ng Night Maniac. Let's go. Movie marathon. A few hours later. It's gabi na. Few hours later. Tapos gabi na. Ay hindi, maghahapon pa lang. Hindi, blue na yung sky eh. Man, that movie was incredible. Bro, ang daming nakalagay sa shelves. I mean, like, it's kind of bookshelves. Tapos, isa lang movie na nakikita nyo. The heck? It really was. I just feel a bit uneasy because it's a movie based on real events. Bro, kung paano ko tumingin sa inyo, ganun din sila nakatingin sa inyo. You know, this is a real representation of the victims. Oh, you're right. You're right about that. I think they should not make a movie about a person as disgusting as him. True. What can you do, right? When the money speaks louder, these idiots decide to do it and it ends up being romanticized. It depends on the movie. Actually, that's not the case with this one. Hey man, we still have a few hours of light. Shall we check out the grounds? Walk around a bit? See what's here? Bro, ito na yun. Baka may jump scare na. So, sasama lang tayo dun sa isa niyang kasama. Tayo ata yung nakaputi, tapos yung kasama natin pula eh. Good idea. The owner said there was a caretaker who looked after the property. Caretaker? Are you sure? He said he stayed in the trailer near the barn. Yeah, let's try not to run into him. I just want to stretch my legs. So, habulin ba tayo nung... So, di ba natin... Bro! Ikaw mauna, ba't ako? Microwave. Near the barn. Where the heck is the barn, bro? No! Ay, gago, tumatakbo din siya. Near the barn. Oh bro, habol. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yung barn? Like bro, may haunted house doon. Ang creepy. Okay. Oh. Bro. Don't you dare. Whoa, look at that. Looks like it burned down a long time ago. Creepy. What do you think happened? The owner didn't mention a burned down house in the Rural Paradise ad. Beats me. Come on, the barn is this way. Bro, saan yung kasama natin? Tumatakbo siya. Bro, galing ka dun. What do you mean about this? May tao? Okay. Medyo creepy siya. Okay, pumasok tayo. Kala ko may jumpscare eh. Like manggugulat sa magpipik. Looks like no one's here. We should probably head back. I don't want to bother the guy. Come on, let's just take a peek at the barn. The ad said the entire property was included. Mark, it is private property. Let's go seriously. Hold on, look. A bear trap? Baka naangaso yung may-ari nitong barn. Like, paano ka mangangaso sa middle of nowhere? Like, hindi naman gubat, puro palalayan lang. Like, puro wheat, mga revolt grain, ganun. Those look like bear traps. Are there bears in this area? Kahit ako, mapapatanong ako, meron bang bear dito sa gantong lugar? No, man, this doesn't make any sense. Who the hell is out there? Damn it, Mark. Caretaker. What are you doing with my things? Hey, calm down, sir. Sorry, we rented the house. We're Alex and Mark. We were just snooping. That's what you were doing. The house is over there. The barn is mine. The trailer is mine. I take care of this land, and I don't like city boys prying. We thought it was abandoned. It's not abandoned. And there are a lot of dangerous animals in these woods for anyone who doesn't watch their step. Now, get out of here and stay away from my barn. Okay. Hindi mo kailangan magalit. Sensya na. Well, mali naman talaga yung ginawa nitong mga dalawang kupal na to. Like, papasok ka sa barn. Hey, well, it's protecting space. Oh, tama, di ba? It's take ourselves to get inside the lock and doors. Tama lang. What was that? Well, mali naman talaga yung ginawa nila eh. Di ba? Mali. Papasok ka dun sa barn without permission. It's a private property, guys. Once na pumasok kayo doon na walang paalam or walang permission ng isang may-ari noon, it's a trespassing. Pwede ka kasuhan. It must be an animal. Like he said, a deer, whatever, let's go. Probably. Come on, I'm starving. Okay. Una na ako sa'yo, boy. Ayaw, mamatay ka dyan. Like, ganyan yun, di ba? Yung, sabi nga doon, sa pag nakakita lang, if it's a brown, lay down. If it's black, fight back. If it's white, well, pakain mo yung kaibigan mo. So, what's in the fridge? Talk to Alex. Si Alex. Hey man, how about we watch another movie? There's nothing else to do anyway. Let's do it, but what movie? I don't want to watch the same one. True. Well, if the guy had one movie, there must be more somewhere in this house. Tell you what, I'll go look for a movie. Can you make us something to eat? Sounds good. Bros, check na naman tayo ng movie. Fridge. Nisip cup noodles. Can we get the other one? No? Okay, hintayin natin siya. Dito tayo sa kanto. Kasi hindi naman jumpscare. Oh! Bawal tayo. Okay. Okay na. Okay. Pwede pala natin umawak ng dalawa kasi dalawa naman yung kamay natin. Pero kasi sa ibang game, isa lang nahawakan. Like, bro, PWD ka ba? So, can we eat this without Mark? Nalilito pa ako sa dalawa. Oh! Bira! Hey man, I found a movie. Nice man, which one? The Smiling Man 2. Sweet! I already made the noodles. Let's go. Okay. A few hours later. Well, bro. Gabi na yan. Hula ko. Syempre. Automatic gabi. Maghapon pa lang. Man, that movie was incredible. Yeah, man. Definitely scarier than the first one. True. Hey, man. I'm beat. I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. Me too, man. I'm heading to my room. Okay. Which room? Which room? Ito yung akin. Well, good night, man. Okay. Ano siyang pakialam? Sleep. Okay. Tulog na tayo. So, I guess ito na yung intense na part. What was that? Alex? He must have fallen out of the bed. Or labas tayo? May dugo! What the hell is this? Is this blood? Good try, Alex, but I'm not falling for that. Alex? Give me a break. Mark Sanders? Give me a break. You want to try to pull a prank right now? I want to sleep. Fine, I'll play along. No one's nothing here. Oh! Bro. Where the heck is Alex? Oh! Yan. What the heck is that? Mukha siyang ibon? Naka-mask. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Holy shit, Alex. Holy shit, Alex. Hide! Okay. Oh. Hindi na makapagsalita. Tingin tayo sa closet. Obviously, nasa under the bed. Oh. To stop hiding. Okay, nasa tayo. Oh my. I'm sorry, Alex. Takbo na. We're not gonna look back, guys. We're not gonna look back. Okay. Takbo tayo dun sa may barn. Is that the only way? Oh, this may sasakyan. Sir, help! Sir, please open the door. There's a killer in this place. Oh, you said killer? Yes, sir, please. I need to get out of here. He killed my friend. Listen here, boy. I'm not playing around. Don't mess with me. If you want to play games with someone, go back to your city. I'm not playing, sir. Bro, hindi naman siguro magiging ganyan ugali niya kung hindi niya pinasok yung private property barn niya. Was he wearing a mask? Yes, a white mask and a black cloak. It can't be. Wait here, I'm going to get my gun. Okay, sir. Can you run? Oh, man. He can't, bro. Bro, he can't run. Bro, ang bagal niya. Ang bagal niya, what the heck? Bruh. Ah, uy! Ala! No! You piece of shit! Can we get the gun? Pwede ba tayo tumakbo na lang? Can we run and run and run? Like, there's no other choice, guys. Ah! Oh! 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 We're not gonna look back! We're not gonna look back! Like, nasa gilid siya. Ah, bro, sobrang bagal niya. No, we can't get the gun. Ay, tago tayo sa barn? Oh! Key. Car key. Oh! Okay, may car pala dun. Okay, all good, sweet lang. Mawala. Posibleng walang jump scare dyan. Get in the car. Okay. Start the engine, bro. Nice. Nice. Bro, tawag ka na ng pulis. Kawawa yung isa mong kaibigan. Good ending, bro. Nakuha natin yung good ending. So, hindi natin kukunin yung dalawang, yung last, wait. Kunin ba natin? Kunin ko na. Like, what is the second ending? What is the second ending? Nagtago siya sa damo. Like, bro, nag-teleport siya dun sa paharap sa atin. So, is this the second ending? I think. Like, babalik sa bahay. Oh! Okay. Na. Bagal mo. Taragis na yan. Bagal talaga tayo eh. Taragis na yan. Uy, tumatago siya sa... Ayun siya, kita natin siya. Uy! Muntik na. Goodbye, bro. Nah, you can't get. The heck, nasa middle of the road na tayo. Uy! Uy! Sa middle of the road na tayo. Uy! La! No, may game barrier siya, guys. Yung limitado. No, please. Okay, got me. So, I guess dito tayo. Like, can we get that bear trap? Uy! Okay. Sigod ulit siya nang habol na siya. Hindi natin pwede kunin yung... Come! You get? Some. Dito tayo sa kabila. Okay. So, yun lang talaga yung ending, guys. I think doon sa bahay. Sige nga, puntahan nga natin yung bahay. I drop the key. Oh, we can't go there. Uy! Okay na. Okay na. Kiss kita. Saksakin mo susi. Nah, bro. Wala yung second ending kasi di ko alam kung saan yung kung makikita yung second ending. Kasi yun na yun, yung load game. Saksak na. Di ko na makita yung second ending kasi yung bad ending, di ko alam. Siguro yun na yun. Ipapatayin tayo, nahuli tayo. And yung first ending is good ending. So, yun lang. Di ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung killer na yon. Siguro sa may sunog na bahay, I think. Then, wala silang connection sa isa't isa nung may-ari ng bar, nung may shotgun. And sayang, hindi man lang nakalabit ni Tata yung barrel dun sa mukha ng killer na yon, o hindi natin kinuha yung barrel. Like, pagkasaksak sa kanya, bila napunta sa backrooms, yung kutsilyo niya. I mean, yung barrel niya. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video. And huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel. And maraming salamat sa suporta nyo sa mga 41 subscribers ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kita tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!